In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform an oil change on a Nissan NV2500. You're going to need 6.9 quarts of 0 W20 oil and an oil filter. Your oil fill cap is located just behind your power steering reservoir. You want to clean the cap off before you remove it. That way there's no debris that will get into your engine. Now you can remove your cap and set it off to the side. This is a tech tip for you. It is very easy to forget to put your oil cap back on after you've done your oil change. So if you take your oil cap, rest it on top of your hood latch, you cannot close your hood because it will hit the cap. Once you've lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have a cover in the front that's held on by 7 12-millimeter bolts. You need to remove those. There's 3 in the back. One on our side is missing. If you go in the front, right below your front bumper, there's one right there. Then you slide down on the other side of the front bumper, there's another one. Then our last one would be here, ours is missing. Once you've removed all of those, pull down on your panel and put it off to the side. Just behind the panel that you removed is your oil pan. Your oil pan bolt is a 14-millimeter bolt. You need to remove that to drain your oil. Before we reinstall our oil drain plug, now is a good time to check your oil plug gasket. As you can see, ours is ripped. So if you to reinstall this gasket, it is going to leak. This is why you always want to check your gasket. We're going to install a new one. Now you want to clean off your area and reinstall your plug. Your oil drain plug gets torqued down to 25 foot-pounds. Going towards the front of the vehicle, just underneath your fan, that is your oil filter. You need to remove that. Here's a tech tip. Because when you remove your oil filter, oil is going to drip out everywhere. If you take a simple piece of cardboard, slide it underneath your oil filter. Then when you remove your oil filter, the oil will go down the cardboard into your bucket. I'm using a claw style filter remover. Once it's almost done draining, remove your filter. Now you want to clean off your oil filter housing and wipe it down. Now you want to prep your oil filter before you install it. Some of your filters come with a plastic wrap. You want to remove that wrap. You want to take a little bit of clean oil your seal, and you want to fill your oil filter. Now you want to remove your cardboard and install your oil filter. Your oil filter should be hand tight with a quarter turn. Then one last time, clean your filter area. Now we can reinstall our cover and start our bolts. This is one of the bolts that we're missing, so we're going to install a new one. And on the other side, this is one of the other bolts that we're missing. We are going to install a bolt. Once you've installed all of your bolts for your cover, tighten them all down. Now you can install your funnel and fill your oil to the manufacturer's specifications. Once you've installed your fluid, remove your funnel. Make sure you have a rag so it doesn't leak, and install your cap. Now you want to start your vehicle, let it run for 30 seconds, shut your vehicle off, check your fluid. If your fluid is at a good level and there's nothing leaking, you want to sit in your driver's seat, you want to turn your key all the way on, but don't start the vehicle. On your left-hand side of your instrument cluster, there's a knob. You want to turn your knob until it says settings, then push down the knob, twist the knob until it says engine oil, push the button, twist the knob to the right until it says 3000, push the button again, it's saved, shut the key off, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.